So now let us work on constructor. So constructor is used to initialize an object immediately upon creation. So normally, why we need to use constructor is if you have any variables to initialize those variables, you are going to use constructors. So let's see with an example. Before that, you can see the rules here. It does not has any return type or even void also. Now let's see with an example here. The class will take the same example in the previous video what we have generated. Same example we are going to take now. So here class add, then after that we are initializing all these variables here. Instead of initializing these variables here, we're going to use constructor to initialize these variables. So here the constructor and method, what is the difference between a constructor and method is constructor takes the name of the class. So whatever class name is the same name, it comes here, open the bracket, close the bracket, and you can specify here variables. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. You can do close this. So this is how we have to define a constructor. Class name should be there here as a constructor name. And open the bracket, close the bracket, forward bracket, and write down the logic here. So here, using this logic, we can initialize any variables. Then after that, how to invoke this? So to invoke this, what we have to do, let us see. So once if you create any object, or once if you are using new keyword, so once this compiler encounters this new keyword, or once the JVM encounters that new keyword, what it does here is it the control directly goes to default constructor and it initializes these variables. So that is what it does here. So now let us see with with the execution here. Now you can see here. First, the control will go to the default constructor. Once the JVM encounters this new keyword, the control directly goes to, okay, what is JVM is? JVM is a Java virtual machine. So that is responsible to execute any program in Java. So from here, the control goes to a default constructor and it initializes these two variables. Then after that, it comes back to the main method. Then it calls this add method, add one method, and the control goes here and it initializes this values here. And finally, it prints the value of Z. So that is what we are doing. So this is about constructor, and here constructor is divided into two parts. One is default constructor, other one is parameters constructor. In default constructor, you are not going to specify any parameters here, but in parameters constructor, you are going to specify key parameters here. In x comma, in y you can use here, and then after that you can use here x is equal to x, y is equal to, okay, I can use different variables here to get confusions. Why will get confusions? X is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. Then we can use this. I'm commenting this. Let's invoke the parameters constructor. To invoke this parameters constructor, here you pass the values 2, 3. So this 2, 3, once if you execute the program, the control goes to main method, and from here the first statement is new statement. And in this new statement, you are having parameters constructor. So the control goes to the parameters constructor, and here x1 contains 2, y1 contains 3. And these two values we are initializing x and y. Then after that, the control comes back to main method. then it invokes add one method. So here in add one method, we'll be having x1. So x value is 2, y value is 3, and addition of those two things are going to display. So now let's see with execution Java C and one dot Java computer. So here also it is displayed. So that's all about the constructors. We'll see in our next video with another topic. Thank you for watching.